Hello and welcome back to How to Get Rich on Roblox. Today's video is going to be a simple GFX tutorial. Before we begin, make sure to go and like and subscribe and comment below what you thought of the video. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make something like what you see on the screen now. The first thing we need to do is go to Roblox Studio so we can get the character model. Once you've gone in Roblox Studio and loaded up a world, what we're going to do is press plugins, hit rig builder, and hit block rig. Then we're going to get the generic dummy character. There, now we have a blank character that we can use for the GFX. So I'm going to take this character, move it down somewhere near the center of the map, and I'm going to go into the Explorer, copy over each part, and export selection. It's going to open up this tab for your files. You want to find which file you want to put it in, give it a name, and hit save. After you've done that, you can now leave Roblox Studio. The next thing you need to open up is Blender. If you don't have Blender, I will put a link in the description so you can download it. Once you have Blender open, you press File, Import, and go to OBJ. Now you need to find the file where you saved the model. I put it inside of Downloads and named it Tutorial Model, so I'm going to click that and press Import OBJ. And my model's over here. If you hit B in Blender, it brings up this cross here, which you can use to select multiple things. I'm going to put the cursor inside of the model so that it's not over here in the corner by using Set Origin and Origin to Geometry. I'll also be deleting the humanoid root part here, which I should have done inside of Roblox Studio. So now we have this model. If we wanted to render it like this, what we'd go and do is go over to this tab which looks like a camera and hit render. As you can see, it's only showing the feet and it's all black. So I go down here and hit 3D view and it comes back up. So what we need to do is come over to this side and click on this sphere, scroll down and hit on environmental lighting. Now when we go back to the camera and hit render, you can still only see the legs, however it is now the correct color. To see more of the legs, you have to move it up and a bit back. That's good enough for now. So all we're going to do for this GFX is select everything, click R and Z, rotate it so that the side is facing the camera. Right click on the head, rotate that again with Z that is facing the camera. and hit render. Now we have this. I want it at a bit more of an angle, so I'm going to hit B again, rotate again. There, that's good. Now I'm going to move the arm by selecting all of the arm and hitting R. And now I'm going to move it up a bit so it matches with the shoulder. Now, of course, you can do a lot more with this. You can bend limbs. You can do a bunch of different other stuff with this thing. However, we're going to keep it simple for now and just go with this. So once you press render, or if you moved it some more and found something you like, you hit render, hit image, save as image, name it what you want, and find a place to put it. Once you've done that, it should save, so now you can close out Blender. The next thing you need to have open is an image editor. I'm going to be using paint.net because it's free. So you hit File, Open, and we're going to bring in the dummy file we just made. Now what I'm going to do here is take this magic wand and click on the gray area. Click on the gray area so that we can delete all the gray areas so it's got a transparent background. I'm going to take down the tolerance a little bit so it only gets what's here, and use the eraser tool to erase all of the gray area. Now I can select this and copy and come over to where we're working and paste. Before I do that, I want to make a new layer. So for the background layer, I'm just going to fill it with one color. So I'm going to take the fill tool, hit on the gray, and put it on the background layer. I'm going to create a new layer and make the outline area. I'll make it an orange color for now. Now I'll make another layer above this for the letters. Using the letter tool, I'm going to put it on Helvetica. That's what I use for my letters. Going to use this green color. After you've typed it out, you can still change the size and the color and everything. So I'm going to make the rest of these up here yellow, but I'm going to make this thing size 108. And that's all there is to it. Of course, you can make the model different when you export it and put it into Blender. You can change the colors and the words and what you have on here. You can take pictures from the internet and put them in here to enhance your GFX. But these are the basics, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see the next ones when they come up. Thank you for watching.